Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have numbers. Now start. Select the range with your sample values in one column and confirm they are numeric. Once done, make sure Excel's Analysis Tool Pack is active. File Options Add-ins Manage Excel Add-ins and check Analysis Tool Pack. This matters because Kurt lives in standard Excel functions. Without numeric cells or the add-in enabled, results will error or mislead. Next, note whether you want sample kurtosis, Kurt versus population. Excel's Kurt returns excess kurtosis for samples. Now you compute kurtosis directly. Click a blank cell and type equals Kurt, then select your numeric range, do not include the header, close the parenthesis and press enter. You get excess kurtosis. 0 corresponds to normal tails, positive means heavier tails, negative means lighter tails. Make sure you have at least 4 valid numbers because fewer will return errors. Once the result appears, format it with a few decimal places so you can interpret magnitude, and copy the formula if you want kurtosis for multiple groups. Finish by interpreting the output and fixing problems if needed. If you see #div/0, #num, or unexpected values, inspect the range for text, blanks, or too few observations and clean with trim or value functions, or use filters to remove non-numeric entries. Then recalc. If your aim is population kurtosis, adjust interpretation because Excel returns sample excess kurtosis. Convert accordingly. Finally, document the range used and any cleaning steps so your kurtosis value is reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.